Saturday. I'm so happy that it's Saturday. There's no better feeling. Really, it's Friday night that is so great, but Saturday morning, like same kind of vibe. The whole weekend is ahead of you, you know? Just relaxing, doing fun things, just time to yourself, not working, you know? I work a 8 to 5 in marketing and sales, if you don't know. Yeah, I'm just so happy. We're gonna have a nice, fun, productive weekend. I'm heading to Pilates here soon. I'm just reading my book. I started this book this morning. It's called In 5 Years by Rebecca Serrell. I have heard literally such great things about it. It's not too long. I'm heading to Pilates here soon. I'm going with a friend, and then we're gonna meet up with another one of our friends after. So I need to go get ready. I'm drinking it so slow this morning. I'm literally having the worst ponytail day. I've redone my hair like 20 times. If you paid attention when I just got ready, I put my hair in a ponytail, then I put it in a clip, then I put it back up in a ponytail, then I put it back in the clip, then I put it back in the ponytail, and I'm still not satisfied. Honestly, I think that's a little bit better. Putting in my earrings. These are my Ana Luisa earrings that I wear like every day. They're so pretty. Then I have the matching ring that goes with it, 2 little rings, and then this ring that is just like an Amazon dupe for the Cartier ring that my sister got me for Christmas, and I love it. All right, I need to head out like immediately. I'm shocked at how little of my coffee I drank this morning. I'm out of focus, but whatever. I guess I'm having coffee after, so it doesn't matter. Let's go.
Scrumptious. Genuinely fire. Iffy.
Oh, really?
Wait, guys, I recommended this latte to her, so if she doesn't like it, then...
Oh my gosh, it's so good. And no flavor.
Yeah, and it's like super sweet. What's so sweet about it? Okay.
Best matcha ever.
Oh my God.
Try it right now. Wow, that's so good. I'm glad I didn't get a flavor so I could like taste the actual matcha. That's so...
I told you best matcha in Rochester. Yes, that's really good actually.
Let me see your nails.
Like blueberry a little bit. Ooh, the nails are fire.
Those are gorgeous.
It tastes like trash, but it needs more flavoring. Like it just tastes
maybe
like
maybe they just did one. You could get more.
Add a little another shot and say, can I have some more flavor? Give me another squirt or two. And they would say, yeah.
Pilates was so fun. I'm just obsessed with that studio that I go to. I'm so comfortable with going to those classes, whereas like when I first started back in May and like when I went to my very first class, I was so intimidated. So it's just a good feeling, like feeling so comfortable going in there, and like taking workout classes like is expensive. It really is, but it really like helps me get there. It holds me accountable because I'm like, I'm paying so much money every month. So I like calculate how much I need to go every week to like make it worth it, because I do the unlimited pass, and so it like really does get me there. And like you have to book your classes in advance, and if you don't go, you get charged, and if you don't cancel within like 12 hours, you get charged. So it really does like hold you accountable even on like the days when you're not feeling it. But yeah, the class was good. I just grabbed coffee with 2 of my friends. That matcha was amazing. Amalia said that that place we went to, that coffee shop, they had the best matcha, and she wasn't lying. It was so good. I didn't even put any sweetener in it, and it was so sweet and delicious. I'm so curious what they use. Anyways, I'm at the grocery store. I'm gonna run in and grab a few things that I need for dinner tonight just while I'm out. I need a bunch of stuff, but I'm just gonna grab the little things that I need. Okay, I ended up doing a big grocery haul. I was just gonna run in and grab what I needed for dinner tonight, but once I was in there, I was like, screw it, I don't wanna come back here. I had some energy once I got myself inside. So I got everything I need for the next like 2 weeks of meals, which is nice. I got these shelves, so there's 2 shelves in here. They're like an oak wood, and they're gonna go right here, one shelf, and then the second shelf right there. So someone actually gave me that idea in the comments on one of my videos, so thank you. I'm very excited to put those up. I'm gonna hop in the shower and chill for a little bit before I cook dinner. Where has the day gone? Seriously. Hopping in here to say thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Entering a new year is always really exciting. I always find myself feeling super motivated and inspired, setting all of these goals, but simultaneously having a lot of anxiety about feeling stuck and falling behind in life, constantly comparing myself to other people. And that's why I love therapy. It's so helpful to have a therapist help to break down the vague feelings of being behind or feeling lonely or whatever struggles you may be feeling. Putting them into specific addressable concerns is so helpful. And I feel like therapy really helps me feel more in control of my life. That's like my main thing that I get out of therapy, is it really makes me feel like I'm in control. I'm in the driver's seat of my own life. I'm not stuck in the passenger seat just letting life happen to me. A therapist will help you connect with your most authentic self and process all of your feelings, whatever they may be, in a productive, beneficial way. The new year is a perfect time to set the tone and create a new narrative of yourself. You're not stuck in one. You can be whoever you want to be. You can start today, and BetterHelp makes it so easy for you to get started. You just fill out a questionnaire and you'll be matched with a therapist in as little as a couple of days. BetterHelp is fully online, making therapy more comfortable and convenient, and you can switch your therapist super easy at any time at no extra cost if it's not the right fit. Start fresh any day of the year with BetterHelp. You guys can use the link in my description or go to betterhelp.com/goodreads and get 10% off your first month of therapy. What do you guys think about the shelves? I like them. I'm messing with the decorations and stuff. This was just quick things that I had on hand. So we'll see, I don't know, but I'm about to make dinner now. I was gonna make a new recipe tonight, crunchy hot honey chicken, but I think I'm gonna push that and make it in a couple days because I'm craving one of Brody and I's favorite meals. So I'm gonna make that instead. It's like chicken parm, but pork, and it has a very different flavor profile because it has very different spices and stuff. But it's like little individual pork, little meatloaves with breadcrumbs and cheese. So it's kind of like pork parm. Have a little coffee while I cook. I've been loving this wild berry flavor. Okay, it's the next day. I'm on my lunch break and my sister came to visit me at work.
I saved her ass.
She come tapping on my door, my office, and I was like, hello? And it was her. And then she annoyed me for a while where I was trying to do work, and now I'm taking my lunch. And I'm at Hobby Lobby because I want to start crocheting. We're gonna see how it goes. But I need to get some yarn, and I believe a hook is what you use to crochet.
A needle and a thread.
So we're gonna go in there and try to find it.
My sister is 24 going on 82.
Okay, don't ask
Right,
me to
24?
Don't ask me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
24.
24. Don't ask me to crochet you anything.
25 actually.
Don't ask me to crochet you anything. Don't you want me to crochet your child's baby blanket?
Or I could just buy it. I'm kidding. Yeah, that'd be really
So
sweet.
support my hobby, or your baby is not getting the baby
Surprise!
blanket.
I'm expecting.
No, she's not. Okay, let's go. Can you stop? You're so obnoxious today. First, I need Taylor. Okay, you're not being funny anymore. Stop.
Brooke, you need to just shut your mouth.
We're gonna get in a fight in here. I'm serious.
You know, it's just more funny that you give me a reaction, right? It makes me want to do it.
Yeah, I need a crochet hook, but I don't know like what
These.
those. That's for knitting.
Oh.
It says, oh, a size H. Perfect. I want to make one of these, but I think it's better if I like start out cheap and see if I even like it before I mean, I guess these are pretty cheap. It's like $6. Aw, that's the one I liked too when I was here looking at them with
You
Mom.
want to do one?
The little honeybee. I like the little bunny. Look at the little elephant. The light pink or the darker? Because the light, there's like 3.
Use 5mm knitting needles.
What about this one?
Look at this one, dude.
Or what about this?
No, why are you like a grandma?
You're so mean. Okay, okay. Ow. Okay, wait, we're going with this one instead. Ow! You're not funny. Hold on, don't throw it again.
I like this one better.
Oh, that's pretty.
They're both pretty.
I don't know which one to do. I think I am gonna do like a fun one. This one has like little color.
I think you should do this one though.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one. Okay, wait, also, I found some Valentine's stuff. So I'm gonna wrap this. This is a garland that I'm gonna wrap around my wreath that's on my front door to make it like Valentine's theme. I got some garland that's gonna go on my little shelf under my TV. And then little trinkets. So this one, this is so cute. I'm gonna put this, my hair
Also
looks
known
insane.
as tchotchke.
Tchotchkes. I'm gonna put this on my shelf, my new shelves that I just put up. It's so cute, isn't it? And then this little like heart that sits on its side like this, and this little love sign, I'm gonna put on my shelf under my TV too with that garland.
This is
So
pretty too,
fun.
bro.